calling to us with a fire that refuses to die, a voice that says, "Rise, young eagles, you were not born to crawl on the ground, you were destined to soar above the storms. Do not be shaken by fear or limited by doubt, for within you lies the spirit to conquer mountains, to face challenges, and to rise from any fall. You are the dreamers, the innovators, and the trailblazers. Your wings are strengthened by the winds of adversity. Your eyes are sharpened by the light of wisdom, and your hearts are ablaze with the fire of resilience. Do not look down upon the ground, for it is beneath you. Look up to the skies, where your true potential awaits. Spread your wings, young eagles, and let the currents of courage lift you higher." Sir, today we stand at the crossroads between the challenges of a turbulent world and hope for the brighter tomorrow. And in this very moment, we need a vision, a guiding light, a star that will shine, and a call that steers our very soul. That call comes from Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal, who didn't just see youth as the fleeting phase of life, but also saw us as the warriors of destiny, as builders of the nation, and as the heartbeat of the future yet unwritten. Sir, when I considered Iqbal's vision on youth, I remembered Malala Yousafzai, who, despite facing unimaginable adversity, stood unwavering in her fight for education, transforming her struggles into a beacon of hope for girls everywhere. When I considered Iqbal's vision on youth, I remembered Arfa Karim, the youngest Microsoft certified professional. Her achievements remind us that the young individuals can break barriers and redefine what is possible. When I considered Iqbal's vision on youth, I remembered Maryam Mukhtiar, Pakistan's first female pilot fighter, who shattered stereotypes and proved that sky is not the limit, but merely a beginning for the young women. Sir, Iqbal's philosophy of Khudi is rooted in the belief that each person here possesses a unique purpose, an inner strength, and a limitless capacity for greatness. He spoke of the Khudi as the path to self-realization and empowerment, urging young people to break free from the shackles of doubt, weakness, and dependency. Sir, we live in a world filled with distractions and challenges, where self-doubt is common and conformity is often expected. Many young people struggle with the questions of identity, trying to find themselves where they fit in, trying to find the purpose that is not shared by society, but by our own vision and values. He believed that knowing our worth, believing in ourselves, and not allowing external forces to define us, that's who we are. Sir, a nation is determined by the sincerity of its people and by the strong and unswerving ambitions of its youth. Those are the great struggles that displays a nation's brilliance and excellence. As a youth, I also had a dream of becoming a person of worth to serve my nation, a dream of representing my nation worldwide, and a dream of becoming the proud citizen of my nation. But piteously, my dreams broke into pieces. My dreams broke into pieces when I observed the system in my country. My dreams broke into pieces when I observed that when a youth is asked to bring gold medal from the Olympics into the country, but he is not facilitated by the government. The government wants development, but they do not facilitate the youth. The government wants the young blood to protect their nation. But my heart broke into pieces when I saw that when a mother sent his son into the battleground, and in return, the family of the martyr got nothing but a number of reckless, condemning statements and convictions. Yes, sir, this scathing and harsh thing left me puzzled with my dreams broken into pieces. But let's remember that light can be seen clearly throughout darkness, and I saw light, a light of hope in the darkness. That's why I'm standing here in front of you to express my ideas fearlessly and confidently. To put it all in the nutshell, I want to say that let us empower the minds of our Pakistani youth, as they are the future architects of a stronger nation. Thank you.